So in this video we'll try to understand the difference between bar, rod and shaft. Okay, in engineering like a mechanical or civil engineering, we generally use the term bar, rod, shafts in many of the problems or the different subject, right? So there will be some difference of these terms. Basically all these terms, it will be looks or it will give the same meaning, but when you will go to the in-depth, you'll have the lot of difference in this. Okay, so basically we use the term bar. So bar is a generally used like a shaft. Okay, so if you try to understand here, if I take an one bar element, okay, so this bar element, their cross sectional area, okay, the cross sectional area means the end. When you see from the side view, it looks the cross sectional area. So the cross sectional area of the bar can be circular, okay, or it can be a non-circular also, the cross-sectional area of the bar. So non-circular means it can be any cross-sectional area, like it can be a square, it can be a triangle, it can be a square, it can be a rectangular, any geometrical shapes. Okay, so in case of rod, the cross-sectional area of the bar is round, it is circular only. Okay, no other cross-sectional area in a rod. So this is the main difference. Okay, the cross-sectional will be circular for the rod, and in case of shaft, again it can be a circular or it can be non-circular also, the shaft. Now again, for the bar element, the length can be anything. Okay, the length can be no limit for the length here, but if you want to use the term rod, the length should be shorter. Okay, shorter, like up to, you can say 5 feet up to 6 feet, it can be use the term rod, shorter length. And shaft also, it can be, there will be no limit, right? Now for the loading condition, for bar it will be applied only the axial load. When you apply the axial loads, axial load means such as tension or compression load. Okay, only these loads can be resisted by the bar. Okay, we can apply only axial loads, where in case of rod it can be same axial loads only, like tension or compression, but in shaft it can resist the axial load, right, as well as bending and torsional load. Now so this is the difference between bar, rod and a shaft. Okay, so thank you for watching.